Hey guys, welcome to the very first episode of DnP Tries. I'm Patrick.
And I'm Dominique.
And today we will be trying Asian snacks that we got from Chinatown in Milan. So we thought this would be an interesting idea, and some of these Asian snacks are usually pretty good. We haven't tried most of these, so we figured we'd try them for you guys and let you all know what we think. So yeah, let's get into it. First up, we're gonna try melon soda. And melon soda is a really popular thing in Japan. It's something I loved in Japan. And hopefully this is the right one, because melon soda is so good. And I miss melon soda so much. So we're gonna try this first. Open her up and ooh, give her a nice little sniff. It smells like cantaloupe. Or honeydew.
That's really good.
Oh boy, it's fire. It's like drinking. It's like drinking a cantaloupe that's juiced, but soda version. I don't know. It's really good though.
Yeah. We're gonna have to go back and buy one of those.
Yeah, those are so good. Oh my. Alright, well second, we're gonna do dried mango. And I love dried mango, it's so good, but I feel like some dried mangoes suck, so you have to get really lucky, and hopefully this is one of the good ones. You open this bad boy up. Oh, interesting, it comes in like it's supposed to come in this like little plastic thing, but oops, whatever. I'm gonna grab me a nice little slice here. Should we break it in half or do you?
Well, you don't have to break it in half, we can just...
Okay. Oh yeah, that's some good dried mango right there. It's different than like sometimes grocery stores will have dried fruit, but it's not dried properly. This stuff is dried properly and well, it's perfect. Mmm.
That's pretty good. I've never had dried mango.
Dried mango is probably one of my favorite like snack foods in general. It's really good. Mm-hmm. She hit my drink. Melon mango. Oh hell yeah!
Okay.
Alright, I want to
I'm kind of scared for this.
I know, me too. I want to ease our way into the next thing. So, we're going to start with this stuff. I have no idea what it is. It has a giant king crab on the front. And on the back it has like a picture of king crab. I'm not really sure what it is. I'm guessing it's like crab jerky. Yeah, I have no idea. We have no idea what this is, but we're gonna try it. It doesn't smell terrible so far.
We love crab.
Oh, interesting. It comes in like these individual little packages.
We'll share one. What the heck?
I'm a little confused here. Are we gonna open this up? It doesn't smell bad. You gonna sniff?
No. Wait, is it in plastic?
Is it in another? It's in another plastic. Like.
It's like a fruit roll-up.
It smells like crab.
That's really weird if this is like real crab in a bag. It's like imitation crab meat. It doesn't taste bad. It tastes like crab. The texture's a little weird, but other than that, I feel like I could get behind this. Oh, here's what it looks like. It has like... It kind of looks like a cheese stick.
Yeah, it does. It looks like a mozzarella stick, but it has like orange coloring. It's focusing on us. Whatever. It has like orange coloring on the front. I love crab, so I actually kind of like this, I think.
Oh.
It's actually good. I think it's good.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
But now I have to wash my hands because they smell like crab.
I was just about to do that too.
Do what? This stuff is good. We're gonna have to get a lot more melon soda. So moving on to the next thing, we're gonna stick with the crab theme, and we're gonna get these Lay's, but they're fried crab flavor. They're fried crab flavored Lay's. That's kind of a tongue twister.
Fried crab flavored Lay's.
Yeah.
Just open that.
Okay. All right, I open these. They smell like a crab.
They smell like a crab.
They smell like Lay's with crab.
Ooh. It's weird how they taste pretty much exactly like a crab.
To me, the taste is almost like they took a whole crab, shell and all, and grinded it up super fine and sprinkled it on top. It doesn't exactly taste like crab meat. It'd be more like crab juice.
I mean, that's probably
It's not-
how they get it.
Yeah, maybe. It's not bad. I think it's one of those flavors that if you only have one, you'll be like, oh no, I can't eat these. But if you have a bunch, you'll be like, yeah, these are pretty good.
I think they're pretty good.
Yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna try, I don't know what they are. They're like little nuggets. Little nuggets, and it has a picture of soy sauce. And yeah, so we're gonna give these a shot. It's something in English. Here we go. Mini friend Senbai original flavored. Okay. Whatever mini friend Senbai is, that's what these are. There's 43% rice. Okay, I don't know why, but in Asia they make these bags so strong. I don't know. It's like they're twice as thick as like normal potato chip bags. They smell good. I'm gonna put me. I grabbed 3. That's okay. Yep. I don't really know how to describe the taste. It almost reminds me of like those little squares in Chex Mix, but if they were soy sauce flavored. But they're pretty good. I like them. I could eat that whole bag right now.
Yep. These are good.
No cap. You can edit that out.
No, I'm gonna put that in.
This melon soda though, I'm telling you, if you get one thing from all the stuff we tried, you gotta get this melon soda. It's so good.
So next we're gonna try this orange soda. Can you see?
Ooh,
It's got
yeah.
a cute little orange on it.
Mm-hmm.
These are very popular. I know a lot of people like just opening them.
Why do you think people like opening them, Dominique?
Stop.
What the heck?
What the heck? So they come with this little piece. And then you wait, it's gonna go everywhere. You do it.
No, it's okay. You do it.
It's gonna go everywhere.
You exploded it. So
Yep. And you push the little glass ball inside. Let me show you.
Mm-hmm.
There's a little glass ball. This, oh my gosh. So you push the little glass ball inside. This glass ball used to be up here. You use the piece to push it in, and now it's right here.
Wow, that's so cool. Oh my And there's like a little like, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's little indents here and they're to catch the ball so for when you drink it so it doesn't go back up and close off the hole.
Again, it's orange flavored.
These sodas are good. I don't know if it's, I don't know what it is, but it's not like it doesn't taste exactly like orange soda. It tastes better in my opinion, but it's basically orange soda but a little bit different.
Yeah, I think it's really good, but my favorite is the melon.
Yeah, the melon soda is still better.
Why are you being
So
weird?
what's next, Dominique?
Our last two things are these bread-like items. One is milk braised cake and the other one is pure cake.
Ooh, pure cake.
I'll put these over our faces.
So which one are we gonna try first?
We'll do the milk braised cake.
The milk braised cake. Here, I'll open this one while you open that one.
It's so cute.
You're
It's a little
cute.
muffin.
It does look like a little muffin.
Smells good.
Ooh, it came with they came with these oxygen absorbents to keep them fresh, I guess. Oh dang, you just dove right in. Oh my god, it's so soft. Ooh, it smells good. Oh my god.
It's crazy to think that these things are packaged in these little bags and they probably are meant to sit out for some time and they're still so soft and so delicious.
Yeah, they're so soft and like silky smooth and delicate. I don't know. The texture is different too, so it reminds me of like a shortbread cake or whatever, but like the bread is like super fine
It's so good.
and dense.
It has a good flavor too. It doesn't taste like bread. It tastes like...
I feel like this thing looks like it's super light too, but this thing is dense. Like I feel like if you threw this at someone, you break their nose. But it's also super soft at the same time. I mean, this thing's pretty heavy. Like, it doesn't look like it'd be as heavy as it is. That one is good.
Mine came with the little thing too.
And the pure cake looks like it's the same thing pretty much. I mean, it feels the same. It looks the same, just smaller. Ooh. Oh my god. That was interesting. Like, when you pull it apart, it's like, oh. That looks good. No, it's not like flaky or anything either. Like, usually when you eat stuff like this, it's all falling apart. There's literally no crumbs. So this one is different.
Yeah. This one tastes more like bread than the other one.
They're both sweet still. Maybe this is the same. I don't know.
No, the other one is more like sweeter, milkier. This one tastes more like, and it smells more like bread too. Just
Yeah,
like
the
bread.
colors are a little, I don't know if you can see on camera, but one's more white than the other. This one's more yellowish. Okay, so that's our first episode of DnP Tries, and I thought it was a good video. Everything was pretty good. Let us know in the comments below which one you guys would like to try and which one you thought was most interesting. Just a brief explanation of what DnP Tries is going to be about. So it's going to be about stuff like this, trying foreign food or unique food. It's also going to be about us making new things that we've never had before, whether it's some kind of random food or whatever, really. It's a pretty open channel, just us trying new things for the first time. So if you guys like this or have any good ideas, please leave us a comment below and we will try our best.
My favorite, the melon soda of the two drinks for sure. And I think of the snacks, I'm in between these two chips. I love chips, but also they both just tasted really good to me.
They were good. I would definitely say for the drinks, the melon soda for sure. And for the snacks, Oh no, this is so hard. I think I'm gonna go with, for the snacks, the dried mango was my favorite. And then closely followed by the bread, then the crab sticks. Those crab sticks were, I mean, they tasted like crab. They were low-key really good.
Yeah, I think all of it was really good.
I
think
would
we
have
got
to
lucky.
agree.
I feel like most of these videos, people are like, not this nasty.
Yeah, I feel like some people would get some like nasty stuff. I mean, I thought that crab was gonna be nasty, but I mean, it turned out to be good.
But if you like this video, feel free to leave us a like and subscribe. We also have an Instagram page and Twitter, and then we stream on Twitch as well. Well, he streams on Twitch.
Sure do. Thanks for stopping by and watching our video today. We appreciate all the support and love y'all have been giving us. But yeah, see y'all next time. We can't wait to try again.
Bye.
Bye.